All right. Well, who are you?
It's none of your business.
Yes, sir. Show me your ID, sir.
I ain't showing you nothing.
So
I
you
ain't
came
broke the
out
law.
here, you're cussing in public. Show me your ID.
The what? Cussing in public? Yeah. Oh well, it's a freedom of speech. You know,
No,
you know the freedom. Do you know the First Amendment?
Yes, sir, I do.
Don't get no closer to me. You know the virus.
I'm asking you for your ID, sir.
What you need my ID for? I ain't broke the law.
Well, yeah, you have.
How?
You walked out of the store, sir, and I asked you if there was an issue
I'm
with me.
practicing my rights.
Not when you directed towards me.
Policing in America sure has gone downhill, folks. There are no standards left. As you can see, this cop here is a little overweight. And we're not trying to fat shame anyone here, folks. All we're doing is pointing out the obvious. Not only do we see cops that are too overweight to chase down a criminal, but we keep seeing the pattern of cops who absolutely don't know that people have human rights. The First Amendment of the Constitution was written to mirror our natural rights. The Constitution, the Bill of Rights, these documents don't give us our rights. We were born with natural rights. These documents are supposed to limit the scope of authority that cops and public officials have over we the people. Total control is what cops expect. Absolute defiance is what they deserve. Why do I say that? Well, cops aren't being trained to know that people have rights. Do I have proof? Absolutely. Try to look online and find a video where a cop gets sworn in. In every video that you'll see a cop raising the right hand and repeating something that somebody else is reading to them. That means they never learned the oath. I challenge you to find one of those videos and send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com to prove me wrong. You guys, go subscribe to Keith Greer's channel. Go show him some support. Let him know that I sent you. Here's your video, folks.
I did call you a piece of shit cop. I said y'all are a piece of shit cop and y'all beat people up in jail and cut the damn video cameras off.
No, mine's on.
Can I get your badge number?
1231.
Who?
1231.
I can't understand. That's too fast. You ever heard of a First Amendment? You ever heard of our First Amendment? The freedom of speech.
Yes, sir, I have.
And why do y'all think y'all could just beat people up for no reason? Just beat people up for no reason.
Who's beat somebody up?
Y'all did it at y'all department years ago.
Years ago?
Yes, you did. Y'all did.
Okay. Who do we beat up?
Me.
Okay. All right. Well, who are you?
It's none of your business.
Yes, sir. Show me your ID, sir.
I ain't showing you nothing.
So
I
you
ain't
came
broke the
out
law.
here, you're cussing in public. Show me your ID.
The what? Cussing in public? Oh well, it's a freedom of speech. You know,
No,
you know the freedom. Do you know the First Amendment?
Yes, sir, I do.
Don't get no closer to me. You know the virus.
I'm asking you for your ID, sir.
What you need my ID for? I ain't broke the law.
Well, yeah, you have.
How?
You walked out of the store, sir, and I asked you if there was an issue
I'm
with me.
practicing my rights.
Not when you directed towards me.
You can flex your rights all you want, sir. Just don't direct your rights towards me. This has to be one of the dumbest things that I've ever heard a cop say. But nothing surprises me with cops these days, folks. I know sometimes I tell you that some of these things are unbelievable, but they're not. It's believable, folks. Police are extremely incompetent. There are no standards left. Keep watching.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
I am too. Turn around.
It's my ID.
Listen, turn around.
Yeah.
Turn around. Turn around.
I got you on YouTube. Let me put my wallet up. Let me put my wallet up. Let me put my wallet up.
Don't move, sir.
Hey, man.
How we doing? Give me that. Put your hand behind your back.
Hey. I think I will.
How's that?
Well, it's been live.
What?
Can't wait for my phone.
I'm feeling it too, sir.
I'm getting that to you. I ain't broke the law. You never heard of First Amendment auditors?
What?
You never heard of First Amendment auditors?
First Amendment auditors.
Mm-hmm.
What is the First Amendment audit?
That's when you have freedom of speech. You have freedom of speech.
How do you come out and direct towards me, sir?
Huh?
In public?
The what?
Now adjust his phone.
Alright, in this video, this cop said that he has rights as long as he doesn't direct his rights towards him. In this cop's mind, he believes that you may have some kind of rights, but it better not interfere with his tyranny. There are no standards left, folks. What kind of yearly physicals are these cops taking? Eating contests? They're sure not going to the gym, folks. You know what else they're not doing? Learning the Constitution. Not one video on the internet you'll find that a cop knows the oath that he swore in order to get that job. All they're doing is repeating what someone's reading to them, and the reason is there are no standards left. And since police are not being taught the First Amendment of the Constitution, we're going to go ahead and teach it to you here now so that you can teach a cop when you see a cop. There are 5 elements to the First Amendment, folks. You got a freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. So important the Second Amendment was written to protect it. If you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And cops are always hoping that you don't know them so that they can make you believe that you don't have them. With that being said, folks, go subscribe to Keith Greer's channel. Let him know that I sent you. I will see you guys in his comment section. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.